Your fighter base, home of the fighting Falcon. You have made all the right choices to get this far. Not everyone gets the chance. Now we will see what you can do strapped inside an F-16. This base is a fully functional operational unit, as well as being the training center for new and inexperienced pilots. Experienced pilots should join one of the operational units as soon as possible. After this talk, select one of the operations from the list of topics shown, and you will get a brief review of the operation. Once you know which operation you want to join, you can exit this reception brief and make your selection from the notice board. Inexperienced pilots should listen to the training brief before returning to the notice board. New pilots should settle down and listen to the full reception briefing. Remember, the F-16 is the best multi-role fighter around. It has been designed to outturn and out-accelerate the opposition. It has the speed, agility, your fighter base, home of the fighting Falcon. You have made all the right choices to get this far. Not everyone gets the chance. Now we will see what you can do strapped inside an F-16. Aerodynamic masterpiece, tested and proven superior for today's air combat arena. And the Mark 84 2,000-pound bomb. Destroy 4 pontoon bridges. 5 Carter. We've had